Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha R6S. This middleweight sport bike just arrived with only 18,384 miles on the odometer. Inline 4-cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's got the smoke windscreen, awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust. Come on by and make your midweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 clean used bikes in stock. Oh, correction on the price, $44.99. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.